In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most common and frustrating issues Telegram users face, the message that says, "This channel cannot be displayed because it was used to spread," followed by reasons like illegal content, sensitive material, or platform restrictions. If you've ever tried opening a Telegram channel or group and suddenly found yourself blocked by this warning, don't worry, you're not alone, and more importantly, there is a solution. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, this video will walk you through how to fix it step by step and explain why it happens in the first place. Telegram is widely known for its open environment and the freedom it gives users to create groups and channels without strict limitations. However, this freedom also requires Telegram to implement safety filters to block channels that may contain sensitive or restricted content. These filters are not only part of Telegram's own safety measures, but also influenced by the rules of app stores like Apple's App Store and Google Play. As a result, some channels become hidden by default, even if they don't necessarily contain harmful material. The message that appears is essentially Telegram's way of protecting users and complying with regional content laws. So why are you seeing the message? On iPhone, Apple's policies are very strict when it comes to content. Telegram is required to follow these rules, so many channels become automatically hidden within the iOS version of the app. Android users also face this issue, though usually to a lesser degree. In most cases, the problem is linked to content filtering settings inside Telegram itself. These settings are often turned on by default, preventing you from opening channels that Telegram classifies as sensitive. The good news is that fixing this issue is simple, especially on Android. All you need to do is access your privacy and content settings inside Telegram and disable the restriction. Many users don't even realize the option exists, but once it's turned off, the blocked channels become visible instantly. On iPhone, the situation is a bit different. Due to Apple's policies, the official Telegram app doesn't allow you to disable the restriction. However, there is still a workaround using the Telegram web or a desktop version. By logging into your Telegram account through a browser such as Safari or Chrome, you can access the settings that are not available inside the iOS app. Once you make the changes there, the restrictions are lifted on your account, and the channels become accessible on your iPhone as well. Essentially, the fix comes down to adjusting your content settings across any Telegram platform that allows unrestricted access. It only takes a few minutes, and once it's done, you'll have full access to the channels that were previously hidden. This method works for the majority of users and remains the simplest and safest way to restore your access without using unofficial apps or putting your privacy at risk. In the end, this issue is more about platform rules than a problem with your device or account. Telegram tries to strike a balance between user freedom and compliance with global laws, and sometimes this leads to channels being restricted automatically. But now that you understand why it happens and how to fix it, you can easily take control of your Telegram experience again. So if you've been stuck with the message, "This channel cannot be displayed because it was used to spread," you now have the solution. Whether you're on iPhone or Android, the steps are simple, safe, and effective. Hopefully this video has helped you understand the issue and resolve it quickly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and solutions like this.